Hello folks, Lee here, Cathartic Rides. Just thought I'd do a quick information video for you. Something which I know is a problem for me on a regular occasion is this GoPro remote just stops working. It won't turn on. You can charge it, you know it's fully charged, but it just won't turn on. So what you do is plug it in, plug it into the USB port on your computer, hold the mode button for approximately 10 seconds, keep your thumb on that. Nice and easy. You get to 10 seconds, press your stop start button, and away you go. It kind of resets itself and ensures it's working again. If you just want to double check it, disconnect it from the power, and then you can see there it turns on and turns off as it should. That's it really. Thanks for watching. Bye.